Hi everybody, welcome to the series of quick report generation using Excel. In this video, I am going to show you that how we can generate the single subject progress Monte Rosa report. So, this is my sample report card and this is my sample Excel sheet. So, you need to enter your information in this Excel to generate this report card. Now, you can see there is a school information like logo, name and address, and here is the report name as well. You need to enter this information over here in this Excel sheet in the school details. The school name, address, the title of the report, and here is a logo. Here we have entered the subject name and the subject label as well in the school details page, which is printed over here. The subject and the label. Now this is the grade boundary which is printed below. And this theme is the Persian blue, but if you wish to change the theme, then copy and paste one of these themes to the theme cell. Now let's move to the student details. Here in the student details page, there is the serial number, student name, class name, roll number, and the attendance details like absent days, present days, total days, and there is a date as well. So the date has printed over here in the report card, and the other student details are here. And the attendance is printed in the separate table over here. Here you can see there are only 5 students, but you can have any number of students and you need to enter their other information in the student details page. And you need to copy these student details like student name and roll number in the next sheets. Now let's move to results. Here in the subject results, I have 5 exam types, and for each exam type I have the end date, total marks, obtained marks, percentage, and the grade. So you need to enter all of the exam types information over here. The exam type is here, and end date, obtained marks, total marks, and percentage, and here is a grade. So like this you need to enter the other exam types information. You can have any number of exam types. For that you just need to add or remove some columns. So this is the graph generated using this data. Now let's move to class teachers comments. The comments which we enter here in the student comment are printed over here. And remember that to copy the roll number and student name from student details page. The grade boundaries we have already seen and the attendance as well. Now the digital signature. Here is a digital signature, the holder name and the designation. Here in the signature page you can have 1, 2, 3 or 4 signatures. You can change their name, the designation, and enter the digital signature or upload their signature in this cell. This is how we can generate this quick report, the single subject progress Monte Rosa report. So head on to EduCloud to generate this report, and for further information feel free to contact us on support@educloud.in. Thank you.